Hi guys, what's up? I'm RichA Rich and you are watching RichA Rich TV.
It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird.
So guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am going to be reviewing an eyeshadow palette by DELANCI, and it's called La Catrina. And I'm pretty sure I might be butchering the names, but please forgive me for that. I don't really know how to pronounce this. And is it La Catrina, I don't know. So without any further ado, let's try this on. So I am going to begin by priming my face, actually only priming my eyes because we are not doing the face first. Just prime my eyelids. I don't even know if that's gonna work, but I'm just gonna do it anyway. Now I'm gonna put on some concealer. Alright, so this in itself looks like a statement look, and I'm just using some baby powder. Alright, so my eyes are set and now it's time to use the eyeshadows. For the first eyeshadow color, I'm going to be using the color Musician. It's a light blue shade. It's not really showing up, so let me not dust it out that much. Oh yeah, if you don't dust it out, it shows up. Alright, so I'm gonna do this. So guys, one tip for this palette, don't dust it out, otherwise it won't show up. Like, tap off the excess, don't do that. That's why you should do your eyes first, so even if there's fallout, you can clean that up and then put your base on. So be smart with this palette. So I'm gonna use another color. Before that, I'll be cleaning my brush with a microfiber cloth. Just gonna go random with it, and I'm gonna use this shade called Guitar. I'm just going to be very random. I don't have anything planned. Ooh, there's a lot of fallout with this one, but it's okay. This one's probably not that pigmented, I don't know. Or is it? It is. It's a light shade. So the next shade I'm going in with is this shade called Feast. It's a pink color. Feast. This one. Ooh, wow, what a beautiful shade. Absolutely love it. Wow, very pigmented, and I'm not dusting off any of these shades because this is how they pop up the best. So I'm going back with the shade Musician. You can see the powder like literally jumping off the brush. So this is a very powdery formula. Then I wanna try out this purple shade called Cumbia. I don't know how to say it. See, the shade is a very pretty shade. Where did I put it? I don't know. Maybe here. I've already put another color there, but let's just go with the oh my god, that's I'm just at this point I'm just smearing it on everywhere, but this is so pigmented. I will definitely have to clean everything off. But wow, this Cumbia shade, OMG. So I will have to go back and forth with all of the shades to sort of blend everything together. So I'm not gonna show you all the shades, but this is the shade Feast. This is the shade Musician. This is the shade Cumbia. It was before Guitar, but it was not really showing up that much. So I might try it here if yeah, maybe I can. This purple is looking really nice. But I'm gonna have to blend it a lot. I'm gonna try this shade called Senor. It's this shade on the inner part of my eyelids. I'm gonna use the same blending brush. Probably I should be using a smaller brush. Yeah, it's also an eyeshadow blending brush. So I'm gonna use that with the color Senor. It's a green color, turquoise, I think. Ooh, wow, 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 wow. What a beautiful color. Wow. Oh, absolutely in love with this. And I'm just going in again to just increase the intensity. So I'm not gonna tell you what I'm gonna do again. This is the shade Cumbia. This is the shade Musician. This is the shade Feast. And this is the shade Senor. The shade Musician, I think it's not like really sticking on that well. I think that's what I've noticed. I have to clean up a little bit, and I don't think I'm applying any shimmers or anything because I like how this looks, and I worked a bit on the blending and everything, so I don't want to apply any shimmers, but this looks really nice. So I will just tell you guys that the eyeshadows are very powdery, you know, the powders will fall off, but if you're doing your eyes first, then it will not be a problem, right? Because then you can just clean up everything and then apply your foundation. So if you're using this palette, I recommend doing your eyes first. Even if you do your base first, usually just try doing your eyes first and you will just make this palette work. So I'm just going to use some water and a microfiber cloth, not the other one. This is for cleaning my eyeshadow brushes. Don't use that, otherwise you'll just smear everything on your face. I've done that. Just going to spray some water, because we also have to do the bottom, the lower lash line and stuff, right? I'm gonna do that after I'm done with my base. Alright, so this is sort of cleaned up. I do need to go over with the eyeshadows once more. Alright, I think I'm done for now. So now I'm going to be doing the lower lash line with the same colors that I used above. And I'm going to use the shade Feast, which was this pink shade. And then I'm going to use the shade Senor. I think it's Senor. Ooh, that looks nice. That looks really nice. Then I'm going to be using a new shade. It's called Soul. I haven't used this before, but it's called Soul. Alright, not bad, not bad. Alright, that actually looks good to me. This is a very dramatic look and I doubt a lot of people can wear this. But like for me, this is a very good way to test out how a lot of eyeshadows in one palette work together. And this looks really nice to me, although it might look crazy to you, but I really like this look. I'm done with my lashes and I've lightly done my eyebrows. By the way guys, I don't thread my eyebrows or anything. I just don't like how it looks. I don't mind it looking a little bit bushy. I'm just okay with it, so I don't really mess around with my eyebrows. And now I'm gonna move over to lipstick, and before that I will need some lip liner. So I'm using the Bella Wars 24/7 lip definer in the shade Twilight Zone 08. For the lipstick, I'm gonna be trying out this Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte 14-hour Intense Matte Lipstick, and it's in the shade MP9. I really love the combination of the lip liner and this lipstick, and I think I'm in love with this lipstick. So I think I might actually end up buying more. I am done with my makeup. It's time for me to take off my jacket, put on my wig, and come back and show you guys how it all looks. So I'll be right back. So this is what the finished look looks like. I'm in absolute love with this look. I've paired it with a purple wig and a purple bandana, and my top, well, I've matched my eyeshadow colors to my top as much as possible, so it looks really well put together to me. So I am very happy with this look. So now let's talk about the eyeshadow palette that I used to create this look. The Le Catrina palette by DELANCI. It has 54 colors. It has mattes, it has shimmers, and it has glitters. And I think it also has chunky glitters, which is so good. And it also has neon shades, which is so pretty, like, which is amazing. I really want to give that a try maybe in another video, but I'm a big fan of chunky glitters, and you have a few here, I don't know. Yeah, I think yeah, those are chunky glitters. So that is really good. Like, it's such a pretty palette, and it has a wide variety of eyeshadow types as well, which is good. If you like want one palette to do colorful looks, I think this will be enough for you, as it has 54 shades, which is awesome. And I haven't even used the glitters or anything, and I am a glitter girl. I love glitter, so I can't even wait to use the glitter shades and tell you guys how much I love them, which I'm pretty sure I will. I love any and all glitter. So I'm just telling you a bit about how I did my eyeshadow, because I've already told you how to get the best results out of this is by not dusting off the excess, because usually you dust off the excess when you're using matte eyeshadows, right? But I guess the formula of this eyeshadow palette is a little bit different. It's a lot more powdery, so if you dust off the excess, it will not give you a pigmented result. I think you might have to go over it again and again, over and over. If you have that sort of patience, it's great. But if you don't, then just dip it in through the eyeshadow palette, whatever eyeshadow you're using, go directly, and it'll give you the most pigmented result. But it will also give you a lot of fallout. But if you're doing your eyes first and there's no foundation or anything, it's okay, because after you're done with your eye look, you can just clean it off and then put your foundation, concealer, everything on. So that is something that worked with this eyeshadow palette, and I absolutely love it. And since I'm new to doing makeup and everything, I can't really compare this with an actual, what you would call a good eyeshadow palette. I don't even know what the good ones are yet, but this worked for me. So for me, this is a 10 by 10. So guys, that is all for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Share this video with your makeup lover friends. Subscribe to my channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you are notified every time I post a new video. And let me know your thoughts about this palette, if you already have it or if you want to try it, in the comment section below. Bye bye guys, take care, and I'll see you all in the next one.